Lights out, I'm the favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's the layers. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table.
Hello and welcome in. If you're new, my name is Tia, and over here we believe that home decor is one small way we can choose happiness. And today we're decorating our primary bedroom in winter cozy vibes. Very simple, you guys already know the drill. Over here we do the most without doing too much or spending too much. So I'm excited that you guys are tagging along to join me on this quick little simple refresh. Before we get started on this primary bedroom refresh, let's all be reminded that home is where we fill our cups. Make it pretty so it's filled with love. Now let's start decorating. So before we get started on this decorating, I wanted to talk to you about two budget things that you can do if you're not in the market right now to get any new furniture. When we initially moved in together, it was still like on the brink of COVID, and it was very difficult to get furniture that was going to be delivered anytime soon. I decided to go ahead and have this custom headboard made. My fiance, one of his best friends, made this for us. We got the headboard stain to match these night tables, so it looks like it goes together. So then you might be thinking, then what about the bottom of the bed? So don't fret. Amazon, I swear they have everything. They actually have a wraparound bed skirt, so you don't have to go through all of that, breaking your neck to try to slide it under and get it even and all of that. And I think I got this one for like under $20. So this is the perfect look for a nice, simple, tailored bedroom on a budget. For now, this has served us very well. I love the fact that it's tall. The fact that it's dark, it just really makes the room feel very cozy, and we've been very happy with it just by So moving back on this side of the room, and y'all, I can't rave about these little, I think they're called monkey hooks or something. I will make sure I put that on the screen for you guys. And they just make hanging things easy because you don't need a hammer, a nail, or anything. All you do is just put this into the wall. This kind of has a little tip there. You puncture the hole in the wall, and then it comes up like this. And this piece is left to hook whatever you're going to hang on the wall. So I have had these sconces, candle sconces from Wayfair. I got these probably about 6 years ago, and they were silver, guys. So I'm so proud of myself because I did my first home decor DIY today with a product called Rub and Buff that I got from Hobby Lobby for $5.99. These were silver, and it was just kind of a no-brainer. See how pretty that came out? All I did was use the antique gold finish and just rubbed it on there this morning. It took me probably 15 or 20 minutes to do both of these, and like I said, they were silver before and now they're gold. And this is another spot in our room that I'm happy to finally be hanging something up because we just haven't had anything here. So let me kind of find where the center space is for this area, and they're gonna pretty much, let me see, go about this height. Oh, one more thing, I actually broke the cylinder piece here. I am excited because I found on Amazon that they have some open-ended candle hurricane glass that you can put here, so I will be ordering those. And they had some clear, some gold, different ones. I'll have to decide which ones I want, but today you guys will see me pop in something that I actually have from another candle that fits here that I will use in the meantime. But The star of the show in this refresh are these two gorgeous lamps that I ordered from Wayfair. They got here in like 2 or 3 days and they are just absolutely stunning, guys. Wait until you see these. My fiance was like, I sent him a text early in the day because normally, sometimes, you know, depending on what it is, I'll send him a text and be like, hey babe, do you like this? He was like, these are dope. The lamps are dope. So let me go ahead and show you. Look at that. Guys, look at that. It's gold on the inside. They are so stunning. And these lamps are 40 inches tall. Look how tall they are. Also, really a big statement. Really just, it just does something. So let's go ahead and put the lamps up. Then we're gonna dress the bed and we're just about done. Over the last, I would say probably 3 years or so, have gotten back into coverlets versus thick comforters and duvets. And I like them because you can control the temperature. So I love these clean and very simple and minimal coverlet sets. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna start with this one, which is more like a satin one. As you can see, it's the same color. This one is about 3 years old. It has this type of detail on it. And I just love the fact that you can layer on them, but it makes your bed look just nice and neat because they're really thin.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn.
I thought this was such a beautiful luxe fabric. I got these 3 cream pillows from Home Goods as well, but I thought this was a really nice juxtaposition against the cream. But yes, these pillows I absolutely love, love, love. And this pillow was just such a fun pillow. I've always wanted one of these, so these happened to be in Home Goods as well. It was $16.99. Oh yes, these pillows were $24.99 each, and these were $29.99 each. This was $16.99. This lumbar pillow I already had, but I did get 2 of these pillow covers from Amazon. This is the final 2 pieces for the pillow section of the bed. I thought just a pop of black was good to balance out against the headboard, and this pop of cream is just so, I don't know, it's just so luxe and so cute. So I'm gonna pop that right here.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Add it up, plus signs, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beer later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher.
was so much fun. I enjoyed putting this cozy winter bedroom together. It's so beautiful, and I'm gonna enjoy just spending time in here, going to bed at night, just very restful and very cozy. So I love it, and I hope you guys love it too. Remember to make things your own. It's your space. Put things in there that you love. As you can see, putting together a bedroom can be very simple and very affordable. So as always, guys, let's stay reminded that home is where we fill our cups, make it pretty so it's filled with love. And I will see you in the next video.
Feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. I'm just feeling lazy, just be honest, baby. We got different phases, give it all, take it all. My libro got so 한잔해.